wondering where you are. I want to play a game. Right now, you are breathing in a deadly nerve agent. The only way to overcome it and walk out the door is to find an antidote. Several are hidden around. X marks the spot for the answer. Let the game begin.
Someone angry yet apathetic. interesting person. His name is John. Has an inoperable frontal lobe tumor. Sick with a disease eating away at the inside.
Sounds like our friend Jigsaw.
Sick of the people who don't appreciate their blessings.
It's like our guy likes to book himself out in the future, don't you?